bounce out. And them sharks, and them jump outs. All fast shit, back to back, we playing Need for Speed. We spend gas at this charger, don't flick up that shit, police. How you dissing, dropping back to back and still ain't catch.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Hayden, bringing y'all back with another video. Today I'm going to be showcasing a little bucket that I won from a car show that I recently attended. I wanted to say a huge shout out to JDM Detroit and 3D Car Care for hooking me up with this bucket. It's pretty insane, the stuff I got in here, and I'm about to show you guys all I got. It's about a $500 worth of car goodies and car cleaning stuff. If you guys don't know, 3D Car Care makes some really amazing stuff, and I'm going to show you guys kind of what I got. First off, on the top, I got this mitt, wash mitt. Pretty nice, high quality. Got a microfiber side and this little bristled side. This will be good for getting my paint nice and sparkly. I got pretty good quality paint on my 93 Aristo, so this will be great for cleaning that. Next off, I got a little microfiber cloth that they threw in. I think this is something JD Detroit threw in for me, but you can never go wrong with a nice microfiber. It's pretty nice. Doesn't feel too scratchy. Probably won't use this to dry because of the next item I'm going to show. Actually, one of the next two items I'm going to show. But this will be good for wiping down the dash or whatnot, or windows. Next off, they hooked me up with a sponge. So this is for like wheels, for rubbing your wheels with one of the products they gave me. It's a wheel like polish kit. So this is one of the sponges they hooked me up with. Got a flat side and a curved side to go along the outsides of your wheels, so that's pretty neat too. And then this is kind of like a huge lens cleaner. So if you guys ever bought like a brand new pair of glasses, probably came with one of these. This is that material, nice silky smooth material, very nice. I actually did not have one of these for my glass, so this will be nice to be able to use on glass. Next up, actually one of my favorite things is their 3D drying towel. So I mean, you guys seen the black lines, it's very, very similar to the black line drying towel. Very thick. I mean, if I could show you guys the weight, or you guys could feel the weight of this thing, that's probably every bit of 5 pounds. You got those real deep, thick bristles. Make sure you can dry up. I mean, this thing is pretty heavy. Came in a bag. I already threw the bag away because I went through this already, but really nice drying towel. I lost my other ones, and I just had a cheap one from AutoZone, so this will be nice to have. Now we're going to start getting into some of the goodies. I'm going to start off with some of the soaps and waxes. So they hooked me up with this S102 3D ceramic wax, hydrophobic protectant wax. So I'm actually really excited to use this. Hopefully it helps beat a little bit of that water off when I apply it. It's got all kinds of instructions on the back, and this is kind of what the bottle looks like. We have the ultimate wash. From all the reviews I've seen, this wash is pretty good, pretty foamy. It says foamy car soap right there. I'm not sure if you guys can see. I'm recording this on my DJI Osmo Action 5, so hopefully it's pretty good quality. I haven't messed around with it too much other than the last video I posted with the POV drive. But I'm kind of excited to use this. It kind of smells orangey. So I'm excited to use that with that wash mitt. Next up, we have a leather conditioner. I don't really have too much leather in either one of my cars, or all three of my cars, but I have a couple buddies' cars that they have leather, and a Nissan President that I will show you guys in a couple other videos that I'm probably going to use this on. But this is a leather conditioner, premium leather protectant. But yeah, that Nissan President I was talking about, it's my father's. It's a 92, so I'm sure I'll put this to work on that, and I'll make a video about that. Probably a point of view drive too. But now we're going to get into some of the sprays. So this is a leather cleaner. It says premium leather care on it. This is pretty nice cleaner. This kind of smells lemony or like new car scenty. So I am excited to use this on that. Like I said, I'll make a video with that President. We have the wheel and tire cleaner. So I'm excited to use this. The Aristo has pretty bad brake dust due to the ceramic brakes that it has on it currently. So I'm excited to see if this is going to work on my gold wheels to get some of that brake dust off, and I want to see what it kind of does to my tires, because I got some tire shine on there. Next up, we have a iron remover, so iron oxide and brake dust remover. This might be acid. My wheels are painted from a wheel repair shop in my area. They were originally silver. They were sandblasted down to the forged alloy base, which was like the silverish, but you guys can see some of this acid eating up the bottle, which is normal for an acid. So I'm gonna assume this is an acid. I'm gonna do a little bit more research on this before I go ahead and do this. Usually when it's an iron oxide, it does mean it's a acid. So before I use this on my wheels, I'm gonna make sure it's safe to use on my wheels, even though they were painted and protected. Still gonna go ahead and make sure that it's all good to use on my wheels before I try this stuff out. Next up, we have a ceramic glass cleaner, and this is again hydrophobic, so they should bead once I spray this on. Later in this week, I will make a video on cleaning the car with all of these goodies. Excited to do that. I think it's gonna rain tomorrow, so I'm not go ahead and not do that. Even though I do have it covered up in a garage, still going to go ahead and wait so I can at least drive it after. But heard really good stuff about, or reviews about this stuff, so I'm really excited to use this. This is part of their GLW series, so nice fancy bottle. Next up, we have a ceramic interior detailer. So it says ceramic. I'm sure this is probably, it doesn't say hydrophobic anywhere from what I've seen, so I'm sure you could probably spray this on anything. It says spray onto a clean microfiber towel, gently wipe on and off for best results. Use a 2-towel system and work one section at a time. It quickly and safely cleans fingerprints, grease, dust, and most interior surface while applying, it is hydrophobic protection against future spills, dirt, and grime. Excited to use this. I have a little bit of, I don't even know what it is. I don't really eat in that car, so I have like a little residue, probably from a less quality detailer. So I'm excited to see if this is going to take care of some of that spots on my shifter, but we'll see. Next up, we have a carpet and upholstery wash. So this is a fabric and floor mat cleaner. I'm excited to use this. I'll do an in-depth detail about the 93 Aristo that I imported, but it has very, very thick carpet, so I'm excited to see what this stuff does with that. It's kind of hard cleaning that out, really just a vacuum, and I don't really stain anything. Like, I don't eat in it. I can't really go through fast food, a drive-through or something, so I don't really have any excuse to eat in it unless I'm with my girlfriend, and we don't even eat in that car. So I'm excited to see what this is gonna do with those carpets and kind of see what it smells like. I haven't smelled this one yet. So, and lastly, we have the ceramic detailer. This is a hydrophobic protectant spray. This is kind of like a quick detailer from what I've read, but it is hydrophobic, so it will repel water. I'm excited to see what this is gonna do with hard water and just being a quick detailer. Even though it's a ceramic detailer, I'm sure it will work great as a all-in-all detailer. But I'm gonna go ahead and give this a shot on the outside when I go ahead and wash it. Like I said, 13 times I think now. I'll give you all a video on when I go ahead and use this stuff, but excited to use this stuff. We have the bucket, so we have a rock/grime filter in the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and assume this is probably a 3D filter. I mean, it's nothing special. If you guys have seen one before, they all pretty much look the same. Got these little slots, nice little bowling pin style handle to grab it out when you're done. But this just goes in the bottom of the bucket, just like that. In a nice 3D 5-gallon bucket. This is what all of the products came in, and threw some JDM stickers on there, and I got a couple more, but I've already put them on stuff, so I won't show you guys that. But JDM Detroit went ahead and put some stickers on there, so that's cool of them. But overall, nice bucket. Nice to have these two just to carry all your detailing goods. But yeah, overall, I am excited to go ahead and use some of this stuff. And I'll be showing you guys in the upcoming video how some of this stuff works. So if you guys want to watch that, I'll be posting that in this next upcoming few days when I go ahead and wash the car. But that's it for now. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and thank you guys.